Good afternoon, Oilers. I am your host, Nick Luce, welcoming you to this special edition of the Oil Spill. What? You're kidding! Okay, well, we have some breaking news, and we're going to go to Eli, our reporter, to talk to Mr. Burnett.
Mr. Burnett. Oh.
Yes.
What's this whole eclipse thing?
Well, today is the 8th of April, and there's going to be an eclipse, and that means that it's going to get dark, okay? So here's the basic idea, right? So the basic idea, you got a sun, we got one, it's up in the sky. We've got our Earth, right? And in between our Earth and the sun is a moon. Sometimes the moon is like not in between, right? Mm-hmm. And sometimes it is. There's a 5% inclination here, so in a rare occasion, there's a shadow that's cast onto the Earth. And as it happens today, in Michigan, we're probably going to get somewhere in the 90th percentile of an eclipse. But if we wanted to see the whole one, we'd have to go down to Ohio.
So how long do I need to be out here?
So eclipse takes, somewhere about 2.5 hours, ballpark. But like the whole totality of it is going to happen about 3:12 in the afternoon. So if you wanted to see most of it, 20, 30 minutes, you want to be out like maybe 10 to 15 minutes before, 10 to 15 minutes after, but you could definitely stay out for the whole time.
Can't I just watch the next one?
You could watch the next one. You probably could watch the next one. Unfortunately for me, I'm going to be way dead. So the next one that's going to happen where we could see it in Michigan is September the 14th, 2099. I was born in 81, so, probably not going to make it to that one.
So what's the big deal if I look at it? Everyone's talking about it.
You like seeing things?
Yes.
Like how many fingers am I holding up?
2.
All right. Well, if you look at the eclipse today, there's a probability that the sun's rays are really intense, right? Mm-hmm. Maybe you'd see one tomorrow. Maybe the day after you wouldn't see any fingers anymore.
But isn't it going to be dark?
Yeah, it's going to be dark, but remember, so there's going to be about 90% of the sun covered, but that 10%, those rays are still intense, and they can still do permanent damage. So you don't want to look at it unless you want to go blind.
Well, tough luck there, Eli. Thank you again, Mr. Burnett, for showing us that example. Your fifth hour teachers will be handing out glasses, and they will decide how you view it.